Are you ready to see the cheapest and easiest weed killer that works better than Roundup? Here it is, and I'm going to show you how to make it. This simple mixture will have your weeds dead in no time, and unlike Roundup, it's safe for your pets and kids. Plus, it won't harm any of your plants or the environment. Grab a spray bottle, a garden sprayer, or a pump sprayer. It doesn't really matter. And we're going to start by pouring in 1 gallon of white vinegar. White vinegar is an acid, and it's going to help strip the leaves from these weeds and dry them out. Next, add in 1 cup of table salt. Table salt is mostly sodium chloride, which is a desiccant. That means it will dehydrate the weeds and kill them. And lastly, add in 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Dish soap is going to help our mixture stick to the weeds longer and help dry them out even faster. Now, if you're using a spray bottle like I am, just shake it up and you're good to go. But if you're using a pump sprayer or a garden sprayer, you may need to shake it up a little bit more vigorously to get the ingredients fully mixed. Now, before we spray this on our weeds, let's take a moment to appreciate how gross and nasty these weeds are. These weeds are not only ugly, but they also soaking up all the water and nutrients that your plants need to grow big and strong. So now it's time to spray. And I like to do this on a hot, sunny day because the sun will help the vinegar and salt dry out the weeds even faster. Just spray it on the weeds, and then at the end, you can spray it on the surrounding soil. Let's take a quick reminder look at where we started. And here's what the weeds look like after just 1 application of this mixture. The weeds are wilted and dried out, and they will be dead in no time. And here's a close look at some dead weeds. This stuff works so well, and it's much cheaper than buying a commercial weed killer. Plus, it's all natural, and it's safe for your family and pets. So give this a try and let us know how it works for you. And if you're looking for more fun and easy garden hacks, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. And don't forget to follow for more great content.